Hmm, Yelah, tak payah
Rehat.
puasa lah dulu. Rehat
Oh,
dulu
oh.
kan.
Saya
Okay.
rehat.
Awak rehat. Okay, pergi tengok TV dulu. Rehat dulu,
Saya
okay?
tidur.
Oh, tidur.
Eh,
Okay, okay. Abang, baca dulu
eh,
abang.
Okay. All
Mhm.
Miss
Mrs.
Mrs. Snow.
Betul.
Snow.
Sloan.
Mrs. Sloan.
Yes, lagi sekali.
Sloan.
One more time.
Mr. All Miss Sloan.
Mrs.
Mrs.
Sloan.
Mrs. Sloan.
Betul. Sloan. Okay? Okay.
All Miss Sloan
Mm-hmm.
was all
Mm-hmm.
alone
Mm-hmm.
in her house.
In her
Ho- home.
home. Okay? Okay, good job. Bagus.
Uh,
Okay, try this one.
it was a cold morning.
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 It was a cold morning. Hari pagi yang sejuk. Okay.
Mm, Last night
Mm-mm.
it snowing.
Okay. Ini kita baca
Mm,
snowed.
Snowed.
Jangan bunyikan E ni, okay? Snow, tabada. Snowed. Okay? Maksudnya malam tadi ada salji. Last night, it's snowed. Okay.
Apa lah? Old
Mhm.
Miss Sloan
Mrs.
got Mrs. Sloan got up and back
Ah, ah,
on
ah,
her whoops
and put.
and but
Put.
put
Hmm?
put put on her robe.
Yes. Okay. Ah, okay, good, Luffy. Okay, sikit lagi. Ni kita nak baca dia. Cerik.
Uh, Check.
Hmm.
Oh no, rocks.
Oh no, a roach.
Oh
Maksudnya ada
no.
lipas.
Mm,
Dia jumpa lipas
mm,
dekat rumah dia. Okay.
mm,
So dia kata apa ni?
Uh, I hate rocks in my
Roaches. Kalau ni
home.
boleh sebut E.
Rocks. Rock,
Lagi sekali.
rocks.
Luffy.
Rocks. The
Roaches.
rocks. Rock in my house.
Ah,
Home.
okay, okay, okay. Sekejap, cikgu tak dengar lagi ni. Okay, lagi sekali. Sebut.
Uh,
Roaches.
Rocks.
Betul. I hate roaches in my home. Okay, maksudnya dia tak suka ada lipas dekat rumah dia. Okay? Alright. Okay, good, Luffy.